Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making nsala soup. Yeah, so without wasting much time, let me show you the ingredients I have for nsala soup. This is catfish, fresh catfish. This, if you're making nsala soup, this should be your number one. If you want, you can also grill it a little bit. It depends on your choice, but most times it's used fresh. Okay, sorry guys if you hear the baby giggling at the background, just pardon me, he's always with me. Yeah, so here is my otazi leaf. Okay, that's what we use for nsala soup. And here is my habanero pepper. Here is another star ingredient in nsala soup. This is ogiri okpe. Okay, this is a special spice, okay, from Anambra State. We copied from them. Copy. This is yam for thickening of the soup. Okay, and here is my stockfish, cooked, prepped and ready. And here is my meat, also prepped and cooked, ready to be used as well. Okay, so if you've not watched the video how I prep and store my meat, I'll put it at the end of this one so you can check it out. Okay, it's pretty simple and easy. Of course, I'll be using some seasoning. Here's my crayfish, and this is my salt. Okay, in this recipe there's no red oil. Okay, when you're making nsala, there's no oil at all. So okay, yeah guys, so I'll be adding some grilled catfish as well, homemade by the way. So if you've not seen how I made my catfish, I'll also put the video at the end of this one so you check it out. So guys, like I always say, for nsala soup you just need fresh catfish, either fresh or grilled. But you might not need to add all this stockfish, meat and all that. No, I just cook my food the way I enjoy it, and that's what I always advise. Cook your food the way you will enjoy it. Okay, at the end of the day we'll all arrive at the same thing, which is nsala soup. Okay, so let's continue. Yeah, okay, so these are other local spices that you can add to your nsala soup as well. This is uziza seed, okay, and then this is oda seed, just a little bit of it, and then ehuru. Okay, so that said, I'm going to prep all the yam, fish, leaf and pepper and all that, then we'll continue. Okay, you see how I pieces the yam? Yeah, one, because I want it to cook very fast, and two, I'm going to blend it. Or if you're going to pound it, you don't need to cut it this small. Okay, now add water and cover to start cooking. Okay, so we see how. Okay, to start making the soup, I'm just going to go ahead and add the meat broth into the pot. Okay, you can see it's not much. Then add the fresh catfish. Okay, then add some part of the seasoning, add some salt as well, add some part of the pepper too. So no much water at this point guys, just to steam the fish. So if the fish cook as you want, then go ahead and bring them out, because you don't want the fish to disintegrate while you're stirring the soup. Know that catfish, fresh catfish, is very soft. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and add boiled water. Cover it to boil first. Okay, the reason is because the meat and the stockfish and all that, I've cooked them before, so I don't want it to overcook. So I'll add the meat, add the grilled catfish, add my crayfish, then go ahead and add the ehuru and ozuza and the other blended earlier. Okay, then add the remaining part of the seasoning. Then again we'll add the blended ogiri okpe. Okay, then add the blended yam. Guys, what we'll add out all this spice and then add the yam, so that by the time the yam will start dissolving, all the spice, they must have boiled along with the yam as it is dissolving, and then all the taste, all the flavors will come out. Okay, after that, add your pepper. Add as much as you can take. For me, I take a lot of pepper. Cover and let it start cooking. Okay, so as it's boiling, keep an eye on it at intervals and check if the thickener has dissolved. At this point, you can see some they have not dissolved. I'll cover it to start cooking again. Then later on again, I come back, and at this point it's dissolved completely. Okay, so I just taste for salt. Good, everything is fine. I'll add the stockfish. If the salt is not as you want, just adjust. Then add the fresh catfish we boiled earlier. Okay, after that, allow it to boil for 1 minute. Stir it, and then for me, I turn off the heat and then add the otazili. Okay, as I add the otazili, I just stir it and then cover it. Guys, I tell you, the heat from this soup will cook the vegetable. You don't need to cook it, but if you want, you can maybe cook it for a minute, and that is it. Okay, our nsala soup is ready. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Please give it thumbs up. I'll see you all by next weekend. Bye.